How y'all doing? Getting ready to go in here to Cache America Pawn here in Fern Park. See if they got another batch of knives for me to check out. Okay folks, I was experiencing a battery issue here. I kept pausing the camera so that the cashier could deal with another customer, and consequently the battery died. I got a shot of prior to opening the box, and then a shot of after opening the box. The little red slider knife I decided to put back because it was broken. But here we go. How we doing, folks? OPD here. It's another beautiful day in the Cheesymoon Workshop. I have been so plagued with technical difficulties over this past week, and I finally think I've got them figured out. I want to try to catch up on some of my videos starting from Saturday, yard sale day. I was able to find this official collector knives price guide. It's an older one. It's the 9th edition, but it has still got a wealth of information in it. It doesn't have a lot of the tang stamp charts that some of the newer ones have. It does have some for case and a couple of the other ones, but it is still a fantastic book. Still looking for a newer one, but I couldn't really complain too much about this, considering it cost me a whole $1. So very well worth that. The next good find I found, I made a YouTube short before I pulled, and then I pulled the sticker off. I found this. This is a Ontario knife company made in USA. It's old hickory. I paid $3.69 for this one. Wicked sharp, yet strong, good edge on it. Well worth the $4. And just about time I thought I had struck out with only finding the cleaver, my daughter messaged me. She went to an estate sale. She finds this Imperial. Single blade. Decent snaps to it. Has a little bail on it. These are clamshell handles with a plastic fake mother of pearl. But it's still a pretty cool little knife. It'll clean up nice. Great snap. And then she found this little Kate's Pickles. This is a set of fingernail clippers. I can't get out. Almost there, almost there. Simple little fingernail clipper. Then it has this little knife sort of built into it. It has the bottle opener, the screwdriver, fingernail file, a little blade. It is made in the USA. It says Leader, I believe. Sorry about the camera. Couldn't really find any info on it. This is a snap. There's something else went with this. Whatever it may be. But she thought it was neat for $1, so she went ahead and picked it up for me. So that was very cool. And then today, I went to my good old Cache America Pawn, and I found this knife. And I'm totally puzzled. I am going to send this knife to Kevin, the knife doctor. So this little blade has just been pretty whittled down, but it won't close. I can push on it and I can feel the spring pushing back. I don't want to break the spring, so I'm going to send it to him and let him play with it. And I think he's really going to like it. The main blade is in great shape. Got a good edge on it. Hasn't been drastically sharpened. But I guarantee he will not put this in the parts bin. Let's just say that. And this knife and this next, hit the camera again, sorry. This next one, Bear Cutlery and Victorinox in a nice tin, pretty scratched up. But inside here, we have this really nice little translucent red Victorinox, nice sharp blade, fingernail file screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, scissor, tweezer, and this particular knife doesn't have a toothpick because it has the ink pen, and it does work. So that's very cool. In addition to the Victorinox pen knife, it has this Bear Cutlery little multi-tool called the Mini Bear Jaw. Little pliers. It also has a small blade, bottle opener, little screwdriver punch type blade, fingernail file, the main blade with a little cliff point, which is pretty cool. Wow, sorry about that. And another screwdriver tip. So very cool little multi-tool in a nice little tin. I stopped by my favorite pawn shop on the way home. I took a couple photos, but let's see if you can see the date here. That's today's date. Bulk knife sales. $1.87 plus 13-cent tax for a total of $2. Bulk sales for this pen knife and the Victorinox Bear Cutlery tin. I thought that was a pretty good deal. And then boys told me they're going to have more knives coming up in the next month. And they know I'm going to be there. Sorry, I had to adjust that camera a little bit. It was creeping down on me. So all in all, $2 for this set, $1 for the book, $3.69 for this cleaver. I think my daughter paid up a little bit. She paid $1 for this keychain knife and like $5 for this knife. She's out there hitting estate sales and stuff with me, for me. So there we go, folks. Kevin, I'm going to send this up to you, have you take a look at it, see what you can do with that little blade. I think you're going to enjoy working on this one. I got a couple other items I'm going to send to you. just because. All right, folks, that's it for today. Please like, subscribe if you have not, hit the notifications. Please leave a comment. Let me know you saw the video, what you liked about it, what you didn't like. If you have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.